Myself Mansi Babshet. I have completed my MBA from St. Joseph's College of Business Administration. I have a total 2 years experience. I worked in companies like Hewlett Packard, Naukri.com and Industry Clothing Limited. To start off with my experience with Hewlett Packard, I used to handle online trainings for the whole global HP employees. This started right from analyzing if there's a requirement for the training, talk to the BU heads, business unit heads, starter departments, and check for the trainer's availability and hence ensure that the whole training was successfully completed. The process didn't end up here. The last step which was involved was talking to the trainers as well as the trainees and getting a feedback arranged and hence circulating and seeing if the training was actually helpful or not. One of the key gatherings which I learned here was which helped the interpersonal skills as well as the communication skills. Since this involved talking to the BU heads and other departments, it helped me in building my interpersonal as well as the communication skills. Moving on to my next role, which was in Naukri.com, this was basically meeting up the corporates, telling them what the Naukri's products was, giving them a demo on the Naukri's branding and the recruitment services, and hence trying and selling them the services. So one of the key gatherings over here was I had to analyze what their requirement was and hence pitch them the right products and services. So all that I can say is that people management skills is one of the key learnings which I learned over here, and which is actually very important in our career. The last step which career where I was working was the Industry Clothing Limited, wherein I was handling marketing for all the three brands, Urban Yoga, Urbana and John Miller. I used to handle marketing planning for all the three brands, developing the budget plans for all the three. It again included the internal as well as the external communications, which is very important essentials. So what I used to do here was I used to develop events and all within the company. Also, external communications, I mean, we used to talk to the area heads as well as the territory managers and seeing that whatever activities we planned was successfully delivered or was successfully completed by them. So, communications is one of the key aspects, marketing and internal communications, which I learned from this company. Now, moving on to what I can say is that all that tenure which I have done until now has made me much more confident person. I have an excellent communication as well as an interpersonal skills. Hobbies, I like reading novels. I like reading a lot of books related to psychology as well as other related articles which involves how to influence people. And all that I can say is that I am very passionate about my work. Whatever work I pick, I always ensure that I complete it within the time. And one of the career section which excites me the most is the training and development, since I have prior experience in that and I have always liked that because it's a challenging role, and employee relationship is something which excites me a lot because I have been doing interacting with people and all for this 2 years. So employee engagement, employee relationship is something which I'm very interested to know about. Thank you. That's all is about.